The 13th Amendment to Constitution of Sri Lanka, introduced in 1987, aimed to address of the ethnic conflict in the Sri Lanka. Its main provisions include the establishment of provincial council, devolving certain powers to provincial council, and recognition of Tamil language as an official language. The amendment was a part of the Indo-Sri Lanka Accord intended to grant the autonomy to the Tamil majority areas, fostering a sense of self-governance and addressing the low-class grievances within the Tamil community.
කාව තුළ නොවන නමුත් නොවිසඳුණු ගැටලුවක් පවතිනවා. විසඳුනේ නැහැ. ගැටලු සාර්ථක විදියට විසඳුණා නම් ජනවාර්ගික අර්බුදයක් ඇති වෙන්න හේතුවක් නැහැ. පාලන ආයතන ලංකාවට අවශ්‍යයි. වියදම් පරිපාලනයේ විමධ්‍යගත කිරීමෙන් තමයි ප්‍රශ්න විසඳන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් වියදම් කියන එක සිදු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ කේන්ද්‍රයේ ඉඳලා පරිධිය දක්වා ක්‍රියා කරනකොට සිදුවන අක්‍රමිකතා දූෂණ වංචා හේතුවෙන් තමයි වියදම් අධික වීම සිදු වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. ෆෙඩරල් ආකෘතියකට මාරු වීම අත්‍යවශ්‍ය කාරණයක් නෙමෙයි. මේකට විසඳුම් විදියට මම යෝජනා කරනවා සමාන ප්‍රතිපත්ති තුලින් බලය විමධ්‍යගත කිරීම.
உங்களிடம் நான் கேட்கும் முதலாவது வினா, இலங்கைக்கு அதிகார பகிர்வு தேவை என்று நீங்கள் நினைக்கிறீர்களா?
இலங்கைக்கு அதிகார பகிர்வு தேவை. ஏன்னு சொன்னால் இலங்கை வந்து பல இடங்கள் பல மொழிகள் பேசுகிற மக்கள் வாழ்கிற நாடு. அப்படி இருக்கையில் வந்து அதிகார பகிர்வு இல்லை ஒற்றையாட்சி என்று சொல்லிகளே வந்து அது ஒரு ஒரு குடையின் கீழ் ஒரு தலைமையின் கீழ் ஆட்சியாக வந்துடும். அப்படி இருக்கையில் வந்து பல இனங்கள் வாழ்கிற இந்த சமூகத்தில் வந்து தொடர்ந்து வந்து இப்போ ஒரு ஒடுக்கப்படுற இனமாக வந்து தமிழ் சமூகம் வந்து ஒரு கோரிக்கையை முன்னெடுத்து கொண்டு இருக்கைகள் இலங்கையில் அவர்களுக்கு மேலே வந்து அதிகாரம் வந்து நெடுக வந்து ஒரு திணிப்பை வந்து மேற்கொண்டு கொண்டிருக்கைகளை வந்து இங்கே ஒற்றையாட்சிக்குள்ள ஒரு தீர்வுன்ற வந்து முற்றா வந்து சாத்தியக்கூறு இல்லை. 13வது திருத்தம் மூலம் வந்து வடகிழக்கு மக்களுக்கு வந்து எந்த தீர்வும் கிடைக்கவில்லைன்னு தான் சொல்லலாம். ஆனால் 13ஆம் திருத்தம் கொண்டு வரப்பட்டு இன்று வரையும் வந்து அதை கொண்டதுக்கான தேவை இருந்தது. தேவையில் கொண்டு வரப்பட்டதுக்கான சரியான திருத்தமாக கொண்டு வரப்படையில்லை. மாகாண சபைகள் வந்து ஒரு அபிவிருத்திக்கான ஒரு தேவையாக வந்து கொண்டு வந்து அதை நடைமுறைப்படுத்தியர்கள் வந்து மாகாண சபை வந்து தேவை இருக்குது. ஒரு அபிவிருத்தியை மேற்கொள்வதற்காக மட்டுமே இருந்தால். ஆனால் அது ஒரு இனப்பிரச்சனைக்கான தீர்வாக வந்து மாகாண சபையை வந்து இலங்கையில் கொண்டு வரதுன்றது வந்து ஒரு தேவையற்ற விடயமாக தான் பார்க்கலாம்.
This interview, Mrs. Gamage acknowledged the existence of a non-acute but unresolved ethnic problem and reflected a positive view of the decentralization of administrative power. Furthermore, it was stated here that the 13th Constitutional Amendment has not solved the problems of the North-Eastern people. Also, due to corruption and irregularities in provincial councils and other local government institutions, government expenses have become high, and the importance of local government institutions in the decentralization of administrative power was also discussed here. In particular, some other measures that could be taken instead of converting a federal system were also mentioned here. My opinion in this regard is that the 13th Constitution Amendment should be fully enforced and the provincial councils should always be under the supervision of the central government.
Sri Lanka, with multi-ethnic population, several challenges can arise due to the concentration of power at the government level and the lack of autonomy for regional or ethnic minority groups. If Sri Lanka were transitioned to a federal system, several potential benefits could address the problem faced ethnic groups. Some factors have contributed to the challenge implementing federalism in Sri Lanka. So for this, in 1987, Sri Lanka introduced 13th Amendment to resolving the ethnic conflict with main objective. But for some reason, the implementation of 13th Amendment has been incomplete and uneven. So to address these problems, there are no options except federalism in Sri Lanka. According to his view, I also agree with him.
Through these two interviews, it's clear that ethnic conflicts in Sri Lanka is not a new thing. Ethnic conflicts in Sri Lanka often arise due to political impacts and lawmakers misdirect the public and causing troubles. To reduce these problems, it's crucial to avoid political deceptive and treat all citizens equally regardless their ethnicity. Parliament should also consider all Sri Lankans when enacting laws and providing equal opportunities for all.
In accordance with the interview, we have observed that in seeking solution to the Sinhalese, see federalism as a harbinger of the country's division. But the Tamil people see it as a means of achieving autonomy. The best solution to this ethnic crisis is the devolution of powers within a unitary state. In the provincial council system that was established there, it is mandatory to provide police and land powers, and the provincial council should be self-sufficient in power. But the provincial council should not be given any chance to override the central government.